Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report analysis video with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday 11th of October. Let's have a look at gold, which I suppose means you've got market fear rising, you've got a dollar correction, that should drive gold higher. And we have seen that in the last couple of sessions, certainly yesterday, a little bit higher. Maybe you could even argue not a great deal actually, because considering the pressure that we've seen in markets, not really seen that running through into a safe haven bid for gold, but maybe there is room for that. But still, you look at this trading range, and you can still see this run of lower highs throughout the range, which would also still continue to suggest rallies are being sold into within the range, I would add, because you're still holding on to support of the range, 1180. And are now 1183, a couple of high lows. Now, interestingly, on the hourly chart, you've got a minor low, arguably pivot around sort of 1191 area, maybe to be sort of looked at. But how the market reacts now also to the pivot around 1200. I mean, it's not a pivot that is religiously kept to. It has sort of been reasonably sort of well thought of throughout this run. It's not massively sort of accurate as a pivot, but it's more of a gauge, I think, within this run. 1208 was the reaction high, sort of back from last week, which is the first lower high, I would add, within the range. So it would be interesting to see if the market can sort of continue to push above 12 and then push above 1208. If that is the case, then maybe we could see a retest of the highs again, because that would break the run of lower highs. But for now, I think we still sort of have that negative bias. There's nothing really that's changed that negative bias within this band, this range, and for that reason, sort of need to be a little bit cautious with chasing this one too much higher. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.